Exercise 11.1, problem 16, solution. Calculate the coefficient of variation of the following data: 20, 18, 32, 24, 26. So we are asked to find the coefficient of variation. What is coefficient of variation? It is sigma divided by x into 100. So we need to know standard deviation, we need to know mean, then only we'll be able to calculate coefficient of variation. It's an ungrouped data. So the first step, we'll have to calculate the mean, then we'll have to calculate standard deviation. Okay, and thereafter using this mean and the standard deviation value, you will be able to calculate the coefficient of variation. Okay, so let's try that. So we know the arithmetic mean is sigma x by n. So what is sigma x? Sum of all the numbers, right? It's an ungrouped data. So add up all the numbers: 20 plus 18 plus 32 plus 24 plus 26 by 5. So that is 120 by 5. That is 24. So the mean is 24. Next, we'll have to calculate the mean is a whole number. So we can use the actual mean method itself. We don't need to assume some mean and all this kind of thing. So because it's a whole number, right? So we will take the mean to be we'll use the actual mean method. So in that case, the table will be, we have x, one column, and the deviation is x minus x bar, which is x minus 24 here, because we are taking 24 itself as the mean, right? Normally we take some whole, some middle number and all these things, but here in this case, since it's a whole, suppose this had come 24.2, then it is worth taking 24 as a mean, assume the mean to be 24 and calculate it. But here it is a whole number, so we'll use the actual mean method. So deviation d will be x minus 24, and we'll have to calculate d square. So write out all the values: 20, 18, 32, 24, 26. So this is 20 minus 24, right? So 20 minus 24 is minus 4, 18 minus 24 is minus 6, 32 minus 24 is minus 8, and goes. You can fill up the remaining. And what is this column? This is square of this: minus 4 square 16, minus 6 square 36. Like that you can fill the remaining cells. And we have to add. So what is our formula? Formula is sigma is 6 for the actual mean method. It is sigma d square by n, right? Square root of sigma d square by n. So add up all these numbers. Okay, so that will get us 120. So sigma is sigma d square by n. So sigma d square is 120 in our case, divided by 5, the number of entries. So 120 by 5 is 24. So root of 24 is 4.9. How do you calculate 4.9? Take the log of 24, divide it by 2, and take anti-log. You will get the square root value. Okay. Now we have sigma, and we also have the mean value. So the coefficient of variation is sigma by x into 100. So basically all you need to do is substitute this value. So 4.9 divided by 24 into 100. So you can, so what will happen? This will become 490 by 24. Okay, because it's multiplied by 100. So that is 2 will go 12 times, and 2 will go to 245 times. Now if you divide this works out to be 24.41. Therefore the coefficient of variation is 20.41. Right, so basically you have to calculate mean, okay, then you have to calculate standard deviation, then use the formula CV equal to sigma by x into 100, sorry, x bar into 100. Okay, so I hope it's clear. If not, please go through one more time, it will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.